Hello
Hi
guys,
guys, what's up?
what's up? So we're
We're
gonna give
giving
away
away
a
a fruit
fruit.
to noobs
Yes.
for free. I will find a fruit for them.
Wait, let me check my garden.
I don't have any, I only have sunflower. I will take the sunflower and give it to the noob who
Yes.
keeps begging fruits.
But we
Do
like
you have
to.
sunflower?
Yes.
Give him to a noob.
Wait, who is Bubbles? Who is Bubbles?
Ayun. Taganan ako.
Dili lagi na mo gana. Unsa?
Taganan.
Lagi mo gana, Sam.
Taganan. Din siya.
Ano ta? Si Bubbles.
Taganan ako.
Bubbles.
Bubbles muna.
Bubbles? Wala man si Bubbles. Where is Bubbles?
Sige si Bubbles.
Wait, this is a fruit for you. I know it's small because we don't have any good fruits yet. So
I don't have any really good fruit.
yet because
I
we
only have this mutated fireworks.
here and this who wants this, I guess.
I will give Bubbles.
Here, give
Cause
Bubbles a fruit.
I just give him one. Don't give him. Don't.
I already gave him so he can sell
I
it.
will give the
Here, now he is rich. Bubbles add me.
Yeah, me too.
Now Bubbles is hey.
Accept her friend request.
Yes, I did. Really?
They can just add me.
Yeah, that's what he did also.
Okay guys, I have a giveaway.
Yes.
Just
Okay. Wait, let me. Which I don't know. Yes. Give it to him because he.
shout out to Bubbles.
Yes, and shout out to DF underscore 61. I think he wants a DF, so soon when we get a dragonfly, we'll give it to him.
We get a 3 dragonfly and I will get the one and I will trade it for Queen Bee and Huge Dog. And I will give away a 2 dragonfly for you guys.
Wait. Cow.
Oh, this.
Has a lot of nutrition. I think this is worth a lot. I'll give it to him. I'll give it to Bubbles.
Okay. I only have personal
Oh, Bubbles
flower.
already has 10 million. So let's give it to the FDF. Where is his garden?
I will get a one of these. No, I cannot get it.
So, and if you want one, just like and subscribe
For
and
more videos.
no, like and subscribe and comment your username down below if you want fruits.
I don't have a lot of fruit. I will give to you guys if I will give away a 2 trillion for 200 subscribers.
Wait, I think he needs help with like watering his fruit.
I will water the fruits with bubbles. And I will put a mutation for the fruits. That's fake.
Okay, that's fake. Wait. I'm gonna put cloud touch. Burn.
Bubbles just left.
See cloud touch I put and burn.
See cloud?
And wind struck. Okay, so I think it's gonna be work good now.
Brush left.
You left? Why?
He just left.
Bro, they all left.
Okay.
Okay, let's find another
do
server.
another server.
Let's try to find people who are not like that good. Grow garden. Let's join our friend.
A kind person. And who are sub to us.
Yes. Join me, join me.
Wait.
Join.
Wait.
Yeah. Go to the very first. I think that's where I am. See. You've joined Pulse.
I think Red just subscribe us.
Yes, I think. But
I'm
we forgot
positioned in line 1.
we forgot to give her a fruit.
Okay.
Join her.
Yeah, we'll join her.
Nah, ain't no way. What the hell?
What? Bro, what is that?
I don't know.
I think she is
No
a
way,
cheater.
no way. Small raccoon,
That's not raccoon.
dragonfly. I mean, red fox, 2 dragonflies, and one blood hedgehog.
Bruh, that is a cheater.
Elephant ear? In a way. So like garden. No, like. What is this now? Like. Did you join red?
Yeah.
Is there empty garden?
Yeah.
How much?
There's been a lot.
Oh yeah. I can join. Red fox stole from you.
Did you not?
Bear bee or cow?
I will give away a bear bee and a cook owl.
Because Red subscribed.
And
like.
John just like the video and subscribe.
And we already gave him on our last videos. So.
Okay, if you want a free bear bee, I think Red is AFK. I will give away it to you guys.
I think.
Comment your username so we can join you.
Yes. And we'll give you a fruit.
For free.
Subscribe and
But
like.
I will give a I will give a 2 trillion fruit or a 10 trillion fruit. Because my friend Divion is so rich, she can give me fruit for free. I will give away to you guys.
Raphael seed. See.
Okay, another server. Yeah. Ini server. Ini nabusab na baka.
Manong siya sab.
Nakatang si Ridza ko.
Why did you leave?
I thought she's not talking. Bruh. I don't have any junk.
Wait, I'll sell my fruit. Oh. Oh, look. Instruct
Yeah.
French shocked Aurora sun-dried. Aurora.
Do you want baby or cook?
Unsa ka? Why did it lag all of a sudden? I think I need to do like I think we need to like put like this update. We should like wait for our fruits to get mutations and give it away.
Okay.
So how much did it say? I was not looking. 4 million. Okay. Like
Awad ako.
lag.
I freeze.
Server shut down. Nah. In a way. Server shut down. Everything shut. I think there's something new. Oh wait, let's join Cool Pal again now.
Okay, guys.
Join my private server.
Okay,
Invite you. I'll invite you.
I will just join you, okay?
Okay.
Baboy just play Pinoy Tower.
You know, relax.
He just played Pinoy Tower.
Okay.
I will join you, and I think there's been an update.
Something
I
happened.
think so. I don't know.
No, nothing so far.
Invite John.
We already gave him a first.
We just hang out together.
There's something there. Hinahanap mo.